What's up, peeps? Right here, I just got a package in the mail for the Dodge Ram. I finally ordered the axle for the back left rear tire because the axle was bent, so the tire will be moving like this, and that's kind of embarrassing, you know. Drop truck with the bad axle, the people are probably gonna be like, "Oh, this nigga's tire is gonna fly off," you know. But let's go ahead and unbox it. It's a Yukon brand axle. I think they're like one of the there's only like three name brand axle, well, three axle brands that I've seen. It's Yukon and some USA something and some eBay brand, I think. But hopefully this one does me good. I do want to add LSD to the Ram. Let me see. It has those clips, so I gotta put it over here. It's kind of hard with one hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. How y'all like them Nike sandals? They just dropped off the package right now, which is Sunday, and that's crazy. I've never had a package delivered on Sunday. I thought it was gonna come tomorrow, but it came today, which is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and take this. Check it out, check it out. In case y'all ever need an axle, well, y'all can order from this brand. I know I still need the wheel studs. And then, yeah, basically the wheel studs. And maybe, I don't know if I need some more, like, I don't even know what they're called, but the little things that hold it in place. I'm not sure about that, but I think I do. I forgot what they're called. Check it out, guys. Let's do some weights. Just playing, guys. But yeah, guys, that's basically what it looks like. I'll be getting new studs, probably from AutoZone, maybe O'Reilly's. I don't know. They probably both do the job. Doesn't really matter. I just don't want the wheel coming off, you know. But I do want to add LSD and 456 gear, so I might wait to put that on. I don't know. It all depends. But yeah, I finally got it. I ordered it on Rock Auto. It was like 205 or 200 shipped, because it's like 175 plus taxes and shipping. And I don't know if I used the coupon code, I don't remember, but 200, so that's pretty good. I tried to buy a used one from the junkyard, but they were like, "Oh, bro, like, you gotta see how many splines it has, because they're not the same." But so hopefully this one is the right one, so I don't have no trouble. But yeah, guys, in case y'all need some, thanks for watching, guys. More updates about to come for the Ram. But yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe.